Man, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Vontae1K coming through with another video for y'all boys again today. And what is this that we have here? This is indeed a 900 horsepower upgraded turbo E85 340i B58. Of course, y'all know B58 in the world. This B58 is absolutely insane, bro. Like, this shit is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie, but we finna hop in this bitch and we finna take it on a little joyride. I already got a little designated route that I'm gonna take, so yeah, let's do it. Alright, YouTube, so we finna go on our little route. That Mustang with the two little lights in the back is kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of tough. That remind me of that Celine. Did they make a Celine with lights like that? Let me know. I don't think they did, but I don't know for sure. Hold on. One other thing I do want to mention is that, oh my God, these pops sound crazy. One other thing that I do want to mention is the fact that I can't really floor it like I want to until we get the upgraded axles on here, because right now it's still running on stock axles and he just boosted it to 900 horsepower. So yeah, he's broken axles like 3-4 times this month alone. So like, I'm not trying to be responsible for breaking the axle. So yeah, we finna get on it, but we not gonna floor it like talking about it. Oh my God. Pick your side, you stay there. This car get a lot of attention, like more than I thought it would. I mean, it do look like a Batmobile or something. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. I can just imagine if I was to floor this car. That was about 50% throttle, maybe a little more. Jesus Christ, bro. No, this shit is insane, twin. What the fuck? Where did that come from, bro? What the fuck? No! Y'all, where the fuck did that come from? What? Nah, that actually caught me by surprise on some real shit though. Like, what the fuck? I need to stop cussing, but holy, it's another BMW up here. I want to see what it is, but these niggas in the way. Come on, one of y'all move so I can see what this BMW is, bro. Please. Big cold. Man, he took all the numbers off that bitch. Does he like that? I hope he does. I don't know what that is, bro. I honestly couldn't tell you what kind of BMW that was. If I had to guess, I would say like a 2 Series or some shit. Nah, it won't that small. But it looked like it though. That shit's crazy. I don't know what the hell that was. Yo, this car gets a lot of attention, bro. I'm actually finna get this on camera for y'all. Bro, this shit's fun. But how do I get that big boom like I got just now, bro? That's what I want, bro. I want that big boom. Oh shit, there's kids. Is it? Man, hell no. Fuck them kids. Bro, how do I get that shit to boom like that bitch like did earlier, bro? Bro, what the fuck, bro? Y'all. L40, the world is crazy. Yeah. Give the kids what they want. And they want democracy. Oh shit, Chesterfield was right there. What the fuck? Y'all, Chesterfield was right there, bruh. No, I didn't even pay attention to that shit. I didn't even pay attention that Chesterfield was right there. Let me get my black ass back in Richmond. Y'all don't know, man, if y'all ever come to Richmond or Chesterfield or Virginia, or whatever the case may be, y'all close to the city area. If you're gonna come and do car shit, Richmond is the place to do it. Richmond don't even write speeding tickets, bro. Richmond genuinely doesn't care about anything, bro. If you're obviously doing a takeover, then they raise eyebrows and concerns, but no, on some real shit, bro. Whoa, what the fuck is he doing? Okay. Now, Richmond dead ass, like, doesn't give a shit. So, if you want to do anything bad ever, make sure it's in Richmond. Don't do it in Chesterfield or Henrico or Emporia. They will crucify your ass. Respectfully. Oh, it's a tunnel. Oh my God, I hope this bitch popped through the tunnel. All right, come on. Hold on now. Gotta hit that bitch just right. Give it a little bit of gas. Oh, okay. I don't know where Chesterfield went, but that nigga gone. Jesus, bro. This little car is just flying, bro. That is crazy, twin. Yo, you good? Nigga in the dirt and shit. RT? Is this not like, does this shit don't seem like it'll ever get old. like when I had the Lambo and I was driving, I'm like, all right, bro, this Lambo probably will not get old to me. And it didn't. It's still like I still like hop in that bitch every other day and be like, damn, this shit fun. Why would you get over here when you know you want to stay over there, bro? Let this nigga over. That's your Nissan brother, so y'all need to respect each other. Nissans that stick together, suck dick together. Oh, look at them little Civics racing. Boy, I'll go over there and show y'all what's up. What kind of project car do y'all want to see on the channel? I think I'm gonna bring a project car to the channel. I know I've been saying that for a while. It was supposed to be my old school, but I kind of fell out of love for my old school, bro. Not gonna lie, I don't think I have the same love for my old school that I thought I did, or thought I was gonna have. I would like to get one already built though, that's the thing. But then it wouldn't be special, it'd be somebody else shit, you know? I don't know. What's y'all project cars? Let me know down in the comment section below. I know it's probably gonna be a lot of JDM project cars in here. And I do plan on switching to JDM sometime very soon. Not soon, to be honest. I can wait on JDM, bro. There's not really a JDM car I would go out my way to get right now. Come on, Linda. Yeah, I don't think it's a project car I'll go out my way to get right now. Like they're getting more aggressive. I feel like they're getting a lot more aggressive. Look at the headlights on this shit, bro. Y'all can't really see it. Hold on, let me zoom in. That's the headlights on this thing, bro. Like, shit is OC. Hold on. We them boys. I want one more loud little bang, like. I gotta get one more of them, bro. I just need one more, bro. That bitch was like boom, 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 boom. I was like, ah! Jesus Christ. Bro. No way, bro. What's up, little buddy? Damn, I want another one. Fuck. All right, YouTube, man. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up, bro. Let me disturb the piece a little more, and then I can goddamn wrap the video up, bro. Jesus. Whoo. Anyway, man, I love y'all boys. Y'all made it this far into the video. I need y'all to comment. Comment down. Tree. Comment tree. Yeah, comment tree if y'all made it this far into the video. So I know y'all made it all the way to the end. But with that being said, man, I love y'all boys. Thank y'all for watching. Oh! And I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm gone.